Hello everybody, welcome to a new episode of Assassin's Creed Brotherhood. I have been getting viewpoints, breaking boulder towers, making banks. Yeah, not that fun. But I like the boulder ones. I think I missed one of the boulder towers, but I'll gonna do it next time. I'm not gonna go there. Off camera I will go. But now I have to go to the task. Main missions, yeah, main missions. I mainly do all the stuff back, like off camera, like in AC2. I just got out the codex pages off camera. You're the only person that is in town in Roma.
Did you liberate your money from our friend?
I did.
A small victory.
They add up, and in time with work, we'll have a few dozen more.
And in time, Cesare's gaze will return to us, and we'll be broken again. Now, where is my contact, Vinicio? He should have already intercepted the letter. Follow me.
Oh, come on, I don't want to talk and walk. Why is my chair making these sounds? Enter. Why is it a song like that? Will we get into a fight? So, okay.
Whoa. Stay. Oh.
Where are we heading?
He was attempting to steal official Vatican mail.
Perdonatemi, signore. You must be mistaken.
Who are you working for, ladro?
I am working for no one.
Then no one will care what we do to you.
Oh, get out. Oh my goodness, you heard that sound? Bro, he did two people at once. Do that again, I want to see it.
Grazie.
Where is it?
What the?
Courier still has the letter.
Ezio, stop him!
Okay.
Find me at the Terme.
Come here! Give me the letter, boy. Here! Done. Get out. Good. Is there so much more border towers? Why is there so many border towers? My first question. The more you know, kids. The more you know. Except. Who? Oh, she, you dog. What the? Hey! Hey, watch out! Watch yourself, kids. No work for today. Why are you making wolf sounds? Why is there so many dogs here?
Where did these murderers come from?
That's what I'm saying.
They must have come from in here.
Yeah. Bro, how can I fit in there? Oh, okay. just making the sound effect, man. Why are there so many wolf people? Is it like their hideouts? Yeah. These levels look super familiar. I wonder. The Pope? Oh, I should know. Oh wow, it's you. You can jump. Okay then. Alright, one of the heads are barfing. Simple as that. I'm a pro at puzzles, boys. Oh. Was that supposed to happen or was it my fault? But my main question is, what the heck is this? Why is there wolf? Why does wolf people live here? And what the heck? A second. I can't talk. Wolf people. Wolf people? I saw you. Don't act like I didn't saw you. Ooh, flag. Bro, look at how many more Borgia flags I need. Lock. And I can climb that. Okay, well I can't. Oh, I see. I like this unique way of parkour. Done. Why am I supposed to be here? Don't tell me. Automatic lights. Wow, that's cool. Oh, look at this one. This one's trying to hug. Man, I don't understand this area. The wolf people are not good with their defenses. They're dumb. Is this supposed to be Alexander? Who cut the statue like no rough areas? Wow. They had a saw or something. Hold on, you're telling me? Oh, okay. I meant it. I thought something does. It's you. How? You always like give me a heart attack with your jumps. Insane jumps. Wow. And look at this. It's another insane jump. Whee! Whee! Ouch. I didn't mean to do that. Bro, how Where am I going? It's just leading himself to death. Ooh. This is the like hidey hole. What the heck? My first question is, how many wolves have they killed for everyone to have one of these? There's okay, I see this. I was going back. Wow. Kind of smart. I have to Google this. Who are the wolf people in Rome? Or Ubisoft just made all this up. I feel they would make this up. Not that sure.
Now I can get back up here.
Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah, the mother of the maker of Rome was a wolf. Maybe they love this wolf mother. I don't know, bro. Wolf! I'm dying. Wish I could. They blend the area really goodly with the parkour. I like how they blend it. Oh boy.
It could help if I fall.
Okay. Let's try it, boys. It's effective. All of that, just never mind. Come on, Ezio, hurry up. You will die in 8 minutes if you don't complete this. The animus' battery is low, and if you don't... Ooh, so much treasures. Hold on. Wait. Oh, these small ones. Open. Nice. Now this one. What's this? I'll. Huh. That's what I got. It's like the Altair's armor. If it is like Altair's armor, I would leave like that because I would totally get out the armor. I'm a golden boy. Dude.
The followers of Romulus. This band of false pagans has been terrorizing the city for months and driving the people into the arms of the church.
Quite convenient.
Exactly. I believe the Borgia are supporting them, but proof remains scarce. That is why the letter is so important.
Here it is. I hope you can break a cipher.
Cazzo! Another encryption. This one was supposed to be legible. They are transmitting them using a code sheet. Without it, we have nothing.
Sometimes logic is not the only way to win a war. Andiamo. You said we had allies in the city. Bring me to them.
Follow me.
Bro, now I have to finish this in 8 minutes. Ooh. man. Who's crying?
We recently began traveling through the tunnels to avoid the guards.
Oh.
But many of the entrances in the city are broken. By using them, we can get to our destination rapidly without encountering resistance.
Until Tetanus. Yeah, I have made this one. Yeah, I like it. Makes my job easy. Except now I understand why the gods got mad at me when I just trying to see what does it do. Explains a lot.
Ben trovato, Nicolò. Ah, Ser Ezio. A pleasure. Fabio Orsini, at your service. I've heard a great deal about you from my cousin, Bartolomeo d'Alviano.
A fine warrior.
Fabio has lent us an unused storeroom on Isola Tiberina.
I know you were used to better accommodations in Toscana.
It is perfect.
Bene. Then I am off to begin preparations for Romagna. Today, Cesare commands my men, but soon I hope we will be free.
Now I propose we begin planning our assault on the Borgia.
Oh, you think we are ready for such an attack?
See,
Do you know, for instance, where the Borgia troops took Caterina Sforza?
what?
Are you also unaware that the Borgia have captured the Apple of Eden?
How could we have lost the apple?
So, you do not know what goes on with our enemies. Do we at least have an underground here to work with?
Hardly. Our mercenaries are ensnared in a losing battle with Cesare's French allies. We have girls working for us in a brothel, frequented by cardinals and other important Romans. But the madam there is lazy, and would rather attend parties than further our cause.
What about the city's thieves? Do they have a guild?
See, but they refuse to talk to us. I don't know why. What are you going to do?
Make some friends.
Yeah! We need friends after half of our family died. Yeah! And we had left half of them in the other side of... Yeah. Let's go. Oh no. It's getting all slow. What? I'm alive. Bro, why does my phone is like he's hurt? That's a good amount. So hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe. And goodbye.